In the history of astrology, let me be bold enough and say this. In the history of astrology, no astrologer has ever seen Rashi chart and predicted a single day event.
True.
This is Bhrigu Yogas. I wanted to teach it. Last year, I collected so many horoscopes. So many horoscopes. Maybe if mood and time permits, in one of these series of lectures, I will take up just this yogas. Because this is the base. Point is, click on the subscribe button, especially the bell on the right side. Otherwise, you will miss the latest videos. Significant would be your life. But anyways, Moon is afflicted by Mars, who is the Lagna Lord and also the 8th Lord. Are you getting it? So umbrellas are very significant in our life. Okay. Now tell me, do you remember any significant event? It will be a very small event, but actually it has a very significance in your life. You would travel to a temple. Okay. The temple has to be next to water, or nearby there has to be water, and it would rain at that time. Okay. And you would use an umbrella.
ओके
ऐसा हुआ, उसके बाद आपका लाइफ चेंज हुआ होगा.
सर मैं महाकाल गई थी रिसेंटली.
English. I'm so sorry. After that, your life there will be some change in your life. Yeah, tell in English.
Okay. Sir, recently I went to Mahakal in Ujjain, and it was around 3:40 a.m. for Bhasam Aarti we go, and
Sorry,
during
3:40
that
a.m.
for Bhasam Aarti, there is a Bhasam Aarti.
I know, I have attended it. Yeah.
Yeah. So it was me, my elder brother, and his wife. So we three were there, and it was raining heavily. It was raining heavily. We reached there, and I was not wearing the proper dress for Bhasam Aarti. So I had to take an umbrella, and I went to a nearby shop to change, and then I was able to do that puja and everything.
Beta, I cannot hear you well. You know, your mic somehow is. Beta, I can't hear you well. Okay. You went to Bhasam Aarti. Mahakal is a very popular temple, correct? For foreigners, I'm telling this. Okay. This is of Lord Shiva. So is Mahakal nearby? There is a river or water body?
Sir, there is a river named as Shipra Nadi, and when I went there, it was raining. It was raining heavily. So I took umbrella to go and change. There is a particular dress code because of which only we are allowed to attend the Bhasam Aarti. So I used an umbrella.
Okay. And then you change the dress. And after that Mahakal visit, any significant event within 4 months or 1 year also?
Two incidents happened.
So within how many months of Mahakal visit?
I can tell you. I went to Mahakal on 20th June. I did my puja. It was Uttara Adasha Nakshatra. I remember the nakshatra. And
approximately how many months? Approximately.
So in February, I got engaged. So they were like
No,
quite a life
which month you went to Mahakal?
June.
June. And when did you
Yeah,
get engaged?
I got engaged on 28th February. This February.
So roughly
June,
8 months. Within 8 months. Correct?
Yes, yes.
So either 4 months or 9 months. No, you got engaged, but when did you meet that person whom you got engaged?
So the proposal first came in August.
So
Sorry,
after June, it is July, August.
October.
Within 4 months.
Sir, October.
September, October, exact 4 months.
Yes.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Okay.
That's okay. Are you getting everybody? Sorry, it was a long story. I was trying to extract information from her. Okay. But I hope you all realized what technique I used. I said that also. Why 4?
Yes.
The month timing is useless for me. For me, most important is this 1-day prediction from Rashi chart. We all go to temples every second, third day. Are you all understanding, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding the greatness of this technique?
सर मुझे समझ में नहीं है.
No, okay, let's assume you all don't know the technique. But is it a great prediction? Yes or no?
Yes,
You all
yes,
will get the technique later.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Intriguing.
Intriguing.
Yeah.
From Rashi chart, I am saying you will go to a temple. The temple has to be near water and it will be raining and there has to be umbrella involved. All fitted in. Are you getting it? And after that, within 4 months or 1 year, you have to get a significant event. She got engaged.
Yes, sir.
Rajiv bhai, are you there?
Yeah.
This is what I'm saying, yoga. People try to find out from yogas, wealth yoga, daridra yoga, this yoga. I am saying single day event from Rashi chart. And how many times I demonstrated it? Rajiv bhai, to you, and I think Rakesh also. I don't remember. I think very few charts I took with Rakesh. Okay. At least you, how many times I demonstrated right from Rashi chart only. Single day event.
Many times.
Many,
Even
many.
yesterday you called me that. Yesterday you called me and then you said that this house particular. I think if I remember, 9th house and 3rd house is activated. What you are doing right now exactly?
No, that was the Prashna technique. I'm saying only Rashi chart of natal. Single day event also I have done. No? This is whether I want to call it Bhrigu yogas or whether I want to call it Parashari yogas. Okay. I am saying seeing a chart. We will come back to this chart later. We will come back to this chart later. Getting it? This chart should be ingrained in your mind. I don't want you all to sleep tonight. Till you crack this chart. I thought everybody understood my technique. It was so obvious. It was so obvious. But those who are not understood, no problem. Just don't sleep tonight. That is how my private students who are now having their own channels, that is how I taught them. I'm not interested in the normal yogas. Okay. I am interested in 1-day event from this. And that event has to change that person's life. Okay. Forget Mars and Jupiter. For now, just put a hand on it. How many events can we predict just with these 3 planets? Single day events. We can't. Am I right or wrong? Let's accept it and we'll move fast in this lecture because another 1 hour lecture is pending.
Yes.
Let's accept yes or no. If somebody can predict, I'm more than happy. I'm more than happy.
No, sir.
Ricardo is complaining.
sir.
Everybody mute their mic. I think Ricardo, nobody's going to listen to us this today. The person will travel for food. During travel, he will see a limping man. He will see a limping man wearing blue shirt or blue, something blue. And he will also see a man and a woman wearing blue. And after that, he will face loss in life. Can this be predicted from this combination? The person will travel for food. During travel, he will see a limping man. He will see a limping man wearing blue shirt or blue, something blue. And he will also see a man and a woman wearing blue. And after that, he will face loss in life. Can this be predicted from this combination?
Yes, sir. It makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Makes sense. Makes sense. Yes, sir.
Sriram, go ahead and explain it for everybody. What's the logic? Explain it for everyone.
Okay, I can tell whatever I can figure out it, sir.
That's it.
Okay, so thing is like it can mean like traveling. Okay,
Sorry?
it can mean traveling. Okay, and when he is traveling, you said that like he's going to see a limping man, which could mean with and obviously blue color. So it could mean that he's wearing a blue shirt. Venus along with Saturn, so a lady, and then in the 12th house means losses. So if we can connect these dots, yes, like what you said could be correct. But when is that going to happen? That is something which I wanted to know.
That it's the timing of the event. My point
Yeah, I
is,
thought that it is today.
my point is, just by these three combinations before this lecture, did we ever think this kind of event can happen by seeing these three planets?
No, sir.
We don't see horoscopes
No.
like this.
No, sir. Absolutely no.
In the history of astrology, let me be bold enough and say this. In the history of astrology, no astrologer has ever seen Rashi chart and predicted a single day event.
True.
This is Brigu Yogas. I wanted to teach it. Last year, I collected so many horoscopes. So many horoscopes. Maybe if mood and time permits, in one of these series of lectures, I will take up just this yogas. Because this is the base. Point is, seeing an limping man and all that is not the point. The point is, all these combinations should fit.